everybody, I'm Diane Leone and I'm here with my client Judy Hicks, and we are going to install her window treatments today, custom made. And first we're starting in the breakfast nook area. As you can tell, we've got two large windows, and so we don't want to close up this space, but we do want to finish the space and soften it by adding fabric. So we're going to do 3 stationary panels. We'll put one panel over to my right, your left. It'll be on a stationary oval rod and come a little into the window. And then we'll put a panel actually in the corner with a custom built oval rod to fit in the corner. And that way it'll come through right over the edges into the window again. And then finally we'll add a panel to the left side, my left, and that'll finish the look. Instead of having a lot of empty rod space, like running entire rods across the top of the window, we're just doing small stationary rods so that you don't see that empty space. That way they look fuller.